Good day, Mr. Max here. So I'm doing a two-part quick video on problem solvings involving equations that you solve by means of using simultaneous equations. So what you have over here is a parallelogram, and you have got that side is 19 centimeters and the side opposite it is 3x plus 2y. And what we also know from parallelogram is that it has two pairs of sides that are opposite. The sides opposite each other, they are equal. Okay, so that is an important characteristic or property that you must know about a parallelogram. So you can say has two pairs, okay, of opposite, very important, opposite sides equal. So what does that mean? It means then when we create two equations, we're going to say 3x plus 2y is equal to 19, and that can be our first equation. And the next one will be x plus 3y is equal to 11, and that is our second equation. Now that we have created those equations, we are going to solve them simultaneously. So it's totally up to you which method do you prefer. So I'm going to take equation B and I'm going to make x the subject of the formula. And when I do that, I'm going to have an answer of 11 minus 3y. And I'm going to substitute that part in red. I'm going to substitute it into equation A. So in equation A, everywhere we have an x, I'm going to replace it by that particular expression. Okay, so I'm going to have, again, there are many methods that you can use. So it's 11 minus 3y here. All right, so we are now going to multiply out. So that's 33 here, that's minus 9 plus 2y is equal to 19. So this allows us now to only have one variable. Okay, and obviously this is going to be negative 7y equals to 19, and we're going to take away 33. Now if you calculate that one here, you have negative 7y equals to 19 take away 33 is going to be nothing but negative 14. So obviously you must always make sure with your calculator that is the case, so you do not end up making unnecessary mistakes. Anyway, our value of y can now easily be determined, as y would be negative 14 divided by negative 7, or simply 14 by 7, because both terms are negative. So y then is equal to 2. So once you have one, you can actually find the other. Okay, and in order for me to find the other, I'm just going to use this one here, where I already have an equation in terms of x. All right, so in order for me to find the value of x, I'm going to say, okay, that means that my value of x is going to be nothing but 11 minus 3. And remember, what is our value of y? Our value of y is positive 2. Okay, so we are going to substitute then that positive in here. So x would be 11 minus 6, and then x is equal to 5. And this is then the two solutions to this equation, where x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 11. And again, as I was saying earlier in much of my earlier videos, please do go back and check your two solutions in both equations and see whether the left hand side is definitely equal to the right hand side.